Well, new at 9 tonight, as families get ready to feast, plumbers are preparing for their own Super Bowl, with Thanksgiving being their busiest day of the year. Fox 51's Ashlyn Anderson is here to share the do's and don'ts of the garbage disposal. Ashlyn.
Katie, local plumbers say that they're also already getting calls and repairs to do their disposals and drainage lines ahead of Thanksgiving Day. But to not have them come out to your home, it's best to not chunk everything into the sink. Food stuffed down the kitchen sink after your Thanksgiving meal could make or break your garbage disposal if not done properly.
Rule of thumb's kind of no more than the size of the palm of your hand at a time, with plenty of water before and after.
Matthew Good with Super Plumbers in Tyler says grease and oil is the #1 liquid to not pour down the drain.
Number one no-no, because when you put grease in, it'll go in liquid, but then it solidifies up. So once it does that, it's going to create a blockage no matter what.
Adding the #1 food to keep away from the blades are eggshells.
Boy, you wouldn't believe what it does. It just packs in there. There's been some trends out there where people say eggshells sharpen blades. Not true.
Now, when it comes to side dishes, if it's a noodle like macaroni and cheese or a stringy vegetable like asparagus, they cannot go down the drain.
Basically stays stringy when it goes through garbage disposal, so instead of chopping up small enough for it to actually flush on out, it just stays in the drain, and then everything builds up from that point on and creates a blockage for you.
If you do find yourself with a packed drain, Good says to not use a plunger.
While it may work sometimes, a lot of times it'll blow the drains out from underneath because they're not really meant to have pressure put into them.
Plumbers' busiest day of the year is the day after Thanksgiving to unclog drainage systems and repair disposals. So if at all possible, take it to the trash. Good also recommends, if you're having company over to your home, to try and avoid anything that's not flushable down your toilet. It could cause more sewer issues. In studio, Ashlyn Anderson, Fox 51 News.